What did you say?
I said, that's the dish I want people to taste.
This is my Great British Menu 2026 winning dish. It's roasted halibut with a Malaysian curry sauce and stuffed fried chilies.
And Andy Oliver was reading out the results. I was bawling.
What a relief! Hi, I'm Nikita, and this is my mum, Rima, and my sister, Isha, and this is our restaurant, MAAI by Nikita.
All I hear when I'm on the floor, everybody's just the surprise and the good surprise.
You always have guests saying, oh my God, it smells amazing.
The dish is pan-roasted halibut, served on a bed of fried aubergine with crispy okra. It's topped with a chilli sambal and finished with a Malaysian curry sauce. When I got invited onto Great British Menu, Isha booked her sabbatical and Mum agreed to open a restaurant with us. They took the biggest leap of faith, so to be able to deliver the result to them was a relief.
Yeah, now make us some money, baby.
No pressure.
It's a huge comfort having Nikki and Mum by my side.
I just don't have to worry about it.
And sometimes I actually forget I'm in a restaurant. It just feels like another home.
The dish starts with the pan-roasted halibut. And I've removed the skin, but I'm going to put it still skin side down. So I'm getting my Malaysian curry sauce heated up. So this is a Malaysian fish curry sauce. It's inspired by a dish called Fish Head Curry, which is typically served a big sort of bowl with lots of aubergine, okra, and fish inside. My version is made with the fish stock, and then I boil the aubergine and okra through it to get all of the pulp out so that it flavors the sauce in the same way. It's a really beautiful fusion of an Indian curry and a Southeast Asian curry. You know, it's a dish I've wanted to make for a really long time. I remember eating it when I was in Malaysia, and I've had a note written on my phone for years. And then as soon as we got the brief for Great British Menu, it was the first dish we thought of, and the sort of props and everything for it all fell into place. And the very first time I met it, you said, what did you say?
I said, that's the dish I want people to taste.
Okay. And that is now ready to come out.
I usually get bored of the dishes Nikki has cooked, especially for competitions, because she makes them again and again and again. and I get bored of eating it, but not this one. This one I keep eating, and I'm still eating it.
My style isn't classic in any sense of the words.
Yeah, that's
true. It's very different. I don't want to be different for the sake of being different. I still want it to be comforting and delicious. So these are my stuffed padron peppers. So they're filled with a mixture of coconut, potato, Thai basil mint, and lots of lime and green chili. So they're really punchy and spicy. My Great British Menu winning dish is inspired by Harry Potter and Professor Slughorn. Harry Potter obviously sprung to mind. It's books and films that I grew up on, so I really, really wanted to do it. I wanted to do, to me, I saw a potions lesson, but I wanted to do a Malaysian fish head curry inspired dish for a really long time. And that seemed to fit in really well with a potions class to me. I don't know why, it sounds crazy, but it did in my head. I think because it's a really punchy, powerful curry sauce, and I could visualize it in a cauldron. And then I wanted to serve lots of little bits on the side. And so that, to me, I saw a potions lesson. Now we're ready to plate. So I'm gonna start with my crispy okra.
I want them to feel like they've come to a friend's house and gone home with Tupperware.
And then next is the aubergine. So the aubergine is salted and then fried. Then the fish is going on top of that.
I think every time I speak to the people, it validates the fact that Nikki has got a unique style of cuisine, but I haven't seen it anywhere else.
So this is my sambal. It's made by blending chilies with shrimp paste, lots of aromats, and then fresh cucumber, raw green mango and onion. is mixed through it with lots of lime juice. And then it's finished with some crispy curry leaves. So this is because the dish was named after Draught of Living Death. And to test the potion, they drop a leaf into the potion and it disintegrates. And that's why I finish it with curry leaves. There we go. And this is the curry sauce. So this is my pan-roasted halibut with Malaysian curry sauce and stuffed chilies.
I think Nikki's food is so interesting that I love the cocktails that we have on now. I've been adding a few new ones recently. The curry leaf gimlet isn't on yet, but it will be soon. I think it's driving me to develop more interesting and nuanced and unique cocktails. Yeah, I feel like we're on our way to achieving that restaurant that we dreamed it would be. In some ways, it's better than I thought it would be. So here is our curry leaf gimlet to go with Nikki's halibut fish head curry.
The banquet day was obviously really, really hard, you know, completely new environment, a large number of people. I was really scared about the halibut. Cooking 80 individual portions of halibut perfectly it's hard, and I was worried that they were going to start to overcook just as they were sitting in the tray. But overall, I was really happy with what we sent out, and yeah, so to have the feedback that I got was amazing. The texture of the pepper, so it's really crispy on the outside, and then in the middle it's nice and soft and really, really punchy in flavour. And what I like to do is a little I actually haven't eaten one in a really long time. Oh, that's so good. I love her cocktails. Oh,
There you go.
You all have our favourite cocktails.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
that's so good.
I think we'd all convinced ourselves that she's not going to win, you know. It's too interesting a dish, it's too spicy, whatever.
Yeah, I never expected to win Champion of Champions, but I mean, I love that dish so much, and I was just happy to be able to share it with as many people as possible.
And then Andy Oliver, I think she made like a little excited noise when she opened the card, and then my heart started going like, oh, maybe there's a chance. And then she read Nikki's name, and I think all of us were just on our feet immediately.
yeah. I think I screamed. And then I apologized to the staff for screaming. That's all I remember. And then I started crying, and then we were all hugging.
Lots of crying.
And crying, and hugging, and crying. I think I am not usually lost for words, but I don't actually can describe that feeling.
And then it hit me. We're opening a restaurant. This is going to be huge for us.
Yeah, there was a few words that were going through my head, which were terror, excitement, adrenaline, all of it in one singular moment.
Yeah.
It was quite a night.